Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blandelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make overnight oats 5 ways. Say hello to your new favorite breakfast. So here's the plan. Make a large batch of this overnight oats 5 ways on a Sunday and you'll have a different breakfast each day of the week ahead. It's Friday again, then Saturday, Sunday, what? Let's start with our oat-based foodies. Add the oats, milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds and maple syrup to a single serving sealable jar. Make sure you leave some space to add the toppings later on. Stir well to combine. Cover and refrigerate between 2 hours to overnight. Our oats is ready to top. Let's start with the classic, banana bread. I'll chop a banana and add it to the oats together with the walnuts, orange zest and a pinch of cinnamon. Stir, decorate with the leftovers. And voila! Strawberry and cream. Dice strawberries, add 1 scoop of strawberry flavored protein powder, sour cream and lemon zest. Boom! Brownie! Cocoa powder for richness, a pinch of salt, mini chocolate chips, and chopped or crumbled brownie. Damn! Lemon blueberry cheesecake. Cream cheese at room temp to make it easy to incorporate, lemon zest, and a handful of fresh blueberries. Last but not least, Thai mango. Use sugar-free mango preserved, combined with freshly chopped mango and coconut butter. Weekdays are coming and I cannot wait to start each with one of these scrumptious overnight oats. They're healthier than most breakfasts, super easy to put together. Kids and husband will love them. Even your mother-in-law will praise you for this. That was it, guys. For the full recipe plus tips and tricks, just click the link below. And for weekly updates, like, share and subscribe.